There is a tremendous Brazilian sweet like a bonbon and delicious called Brigadeiro. This is an excellent type of sweet that is loved in Brazil. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon butter, 1 sweetened condensed milk can, 14 ounces, a quarter cup cocoa powder, 1 cup chocolate sprinkle. How to make: in a pan, add the condensed milk and butter and mix well. Let it cook on medium heat until the butter melts. Then add the chocolate powder and mix well. Let it cook for 10 minutes, stirring constantly. As soon as the chocolate starts to separate from the bottom of the pan, remove it from the heat. Pour into a buttered bowl and let cool. Grease your hands with butter and make small balls. Then pass the granules to cover the brigadier well.
Globe Social Network, New York Bureau.